Hi everyone, so happy Saturday, and today is a beautiful sunny day. So if you look outside, it's not raining and pouring. 2-3 days ago it was snowing in Toronto, Canada, and it's April, so it's crazy with the weather, but today we got nice and sunny. So happy weekend everyone, hope you had a great week. So today I just want to share with you some new hair extensions that we have. So with my hair, usually my hair is very fine. So whenever I put my hair up, I would never get a nice bun like this. So this is the bun that I have. And the reason why it's nice and full bun like this is because I have hair extensions in. So hair extension doesn't just look good when you have your hair down, but it also gives you the volume for your hair when you're putting it up, when you are braiding it or having it in loose curls. So it gives me a really nice full bun effect, and it's from hair extensions. So at the salon, so I work at the Scada Salon, 2391 Bloor Street West. The main intersection is Jane and Bloor. So if you're going from the subway, it's Jane Subway. So just want to share with you some exciting hair that we got in. So the hair that I usually use is from Global Best Beauty, and quality is great. So I'm just going to share with you some of the hair that they have. So these are hair extensions. So it comes in like this. This is the beautiful silk hair that we have in, and we have the best, and not to brag, but the best quality hair, and also the technique. So this is called the Genius Weft. So the Genius Weft is absolutely, it's like 1/16. It's like 1/16 to a 1/8 of an inch. So it's extremely fine. So whether we're using this to do invisible beaded weft, to do clip-ons or roll braid hair extensions, it's amazing that it's like seamless, okay? Very thin, therefore it doesn't have that bulk feeling on your scalp, and it's beautiful because these Genius Weft, you don't have those little hair, see? You don't have those little hair poking out, so therefore you don't get itchy inside. So those of you who are hair extension wearer, you for sure understand what I'm saying. But if you're not familiar to hair extensions, Genius Weft is the best thing right now, in my opinion. And I've been having hair extensions for the past, I would say, 21 years I've been wearing hair extensions. So we always keep up with the newest technique. The reason why is I wear them myself, like 24/7. So because I wear them, I always look for the best, most comfortable, less damaging. The beaded weft that we've been doing for the past 3 years has been phenomenal, extremely comfortable. It doesn't make your hair fall out. The removal time is effortless, so there's no breakage during removal. So definitely, if you want to know more about hair extensions, we do all methods that's offered out there, but with a passion. So I wear them myself, and I am extremely OCD with hair and hair extensions. So when you come, you get mostly the best service, as well as proper new advanced techniques to help with the best experience. So this is the one in black. I used to be black. Imagine me black again, right? So we have number 1 all the way to number 613. So from the darkest to the lightest blondes that you can think of. And this is another one that we have. So you can see the black one we have right here. And this is the blonde one that we have. So we have a lot of colors. We go from 12-inch all the way to 28-inch. Yes, 28-inch. So if you're looking for hair extensions that is long down to here, or past even, you know, all the way very long, we have it. So my client is actually here now, so I cannot do this video anymore. But if you have more questions regarding hair extensions, anything about hair extensions, wigs, toupee, feel free to contact us, and we'll be happy to give you a consultation and explain to you whatever you need to know to get the most and best comfortable hair experience ever with hair extensions. So stay tuned. I'll do more videos on this. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. And we also make wigs, okay? And they're 100% Remy hair, not mixed with any horse hair, synthetic, completely natural human hair, so that you can style, blow dry, wash, and it's like your hair but 5 times better, at least in my case. So thank you so much. Wishing everyone a wonderful weekend. And you know what? If you're feeling down, come and get your hair done. When your hair looks good, you feel happy, life gets better. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.